Tell you there, champs. Gonna do a bit of exploring today on a place I've never been to before. Whoa. Whoop. Speed cameras down here. Shouldn't speed anyway, should you? Haha. Now, anyway, a place I've never been to before, and it's actually a disused quarry. I'm on the Aprilia Tuono, rhymes with porno. Yes, the beast. Done about 255 k's and loving this thing. What did I say about speed cameras? See that car on the left there? I'm pretty sure that's a speed camera. Maybe not, I don't know. Anyway, you got to be careful around here. So this was a quarry, and what they done is they dug the quarry, got all the stone out of it, and then they built some houses there. So it's going to be interesting. I remember seeing the quarry all the time and thinking, oh, I wouldn't mind going down there with a dirt bike. Well, never got the chance to do that. But now I'm going to get a chance to go down the quarry once they've built streets to it. So you're going to come along with me. If you're new around here, I'm going to do a lot of motorcycle content. I'm actually in the search for a new bike. So, you know, come along on the journey with me. Whoa, bit of bumps here. Stand up, stand up. Yeah, the ride is fairly sporty on this bike. It sounds amazing, I gotta say. Like, out of every bike I tested, and I tested a few, the Aprilia had the best, like, OEM, just normal exhaust note. The other ones, especially the Euro 5s, so we're gonna go down into this quarry now. There's the quarry there, so they've still got the dirt track there. So I wonder if they're gonna put houses there, doing some road work along here. I wonder if they're actually going to put houses down in that quarry as well, or they're just going to leave it like that. I'm not sure. Probably hear the road work there. But these are all new houses built along here. Obviously I'm not going to go down the quarry on a sports bike or a naked bike, but yeah, this is all a new area to me, although look at these roads, they look second rate, don't they? If this is a new area, didn't do a good job on the roads, did they? Yeah, so you can tell it's, oh, look at that crap on the road everywhere. Not many cars come down here, obviously. Going right down into the belly. There you go, we're right in the middle here. This is awesome. I actually might bring the classic 500 down here. Oh, there's a river. Oh, sorry, a lake. That would be a man-made lake, I guess. You can see it there. So we're right at the bottom of the quarry now. So this used to all be a quarry, and there you can see that's filled with water over time. I guess they're going to leave that. It's sort of like a man-made lake. Actually, let's go up here. Well, it's very dirty along here. I really don't like riding along here. And yeah, this is it. They used to get stone from this quarry. I don't know what kind of stone it is, but you know, this is suburban Melbourne here. Oh, you get a lot. There's excellent views around here. I will say one thing. I don't want to go on this road. It's just too dirty. Too much crap on it. But these are all sold. It looks like, oh, there's some that aren't sold. There you go. And they got good views. Look at that. Nice views of the parkland there. I wonder how that would go when it rains. All that rain coming down there. Or if it floods. We'll go down here because the roads are a bit cleaner. And I'm loving this Tuono. Rhymes with porno. Look at all these houses, all new houses. Look at them, they're going to have to be on that little bit of land there. They've piled up some soil so the houses can sit up there. I guess that's the backyard, or I don't know what's going on there, but yeah, some nice bushland around here. And it looks like they're going to go further, so I wouldn't mind taking a bullet through here. This would be awesome. The Casa Bene group. Anyway, I do have to get some petrol as well and pump up my tyres. So this road, I don't want to go on all the dirt. I just watched the bikes. Please don't make the bike dirty. I love the speed humps where you got the gap. That's awesome for bikes anyway. The car's a bit of a pain. Why do they have all these speed humps? I know why they got them, so people don't fang down here for a safety sort of thing, but come on, they've got to think of a better way than all the energy wasted on braking and accelerating, the fuel. It's just stupid. But this is pretty steep along here, I'd say. Let's go down here. Yeah, these houses would be very expensive because the view they have is just wow. You should see the view. I'll get up to where you can see the city later. At least this road's clean along here. Look at it, it's all parked. I got to say that all these gum trees here, mate, I don't fancy cleaning their gutters around here. See the beautiful parklands. But yeah, I know from experience that gum trees and gutters don't mix. Why they're planting gum trees here? Maybe they were already here, I don't know, I doubt it. Just because they look so new. But just stupid. I know they're native, but they're the worst things for your gutter. So I'm going to go up here. This is a fairly steep hill here. Oh my god. Whoa, that's very steep. Almost get vertigo going on that. But I'll show you the $1 million view these guys have got, and you probably won't see on a wide angle, but some of these houses have amazing views because, as you can see, they've got the parkland, the valley there, but you can also see the city. So see the city over there? I'll try to zoom in. But yeah, there's a city over there. Beautiful view of the city. And yeah, pretty cool. So these houses block everyone else's view to the city. There you go. City views, baby. So let's go and get some petrol. Thanks for coming along this morning. I'm going to get on my classic 500 tomorrow, weather permitting, so stay tuned for that. But still running this Tuono, rhymes with porno in, and I'm loving this bike. Oh my god, this bike is just amazing. So anyway, I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Tally ho.